parking center to prevent the spread of
海外感染症の侵入を防ぐため
함께해주신 손님 여러분, until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins as items